You wake up at 6:04 a.m. You go through your usual boring routine. Today is just another day, right? Little do you know, there's a small gas leak in your boiler room. It slowly releases carbon monoxide into your house. The alarm doesn't go off. It's dead. You didn't test it. But it's easy to test your carbon monoxide alarm. Press and hold till you hear the... You should be doing this every 6 months. Now back to the story. For 8 hours, your house fills with the extremely flammable gas. It's a ticking time bomb, just waiting for a spark. You get home at 5. You're starving, so you open the fridge, you grab the leftovers, you put the leftovers on the stove, you reach for the ignition dial, and turn.